Hi students, good morning to everyone. Our running chapter is 8 subtraction of numbers. Subtraction of numbers. Dear students, all of you open math textbook. Page number 75. In 75, we have finished 5 questions and 6 question example also finished in our previous class. Today we are going to solve textbook problem from question number 6, page number 75. Dear children, we have finished example from question number 6. Now we are going to solve questions from textbook. That is question number 6, page number 75. Subtract the numbers in the first column. Subtract the numbers in the first column. Mark the range with right symbol in which your answer lies. In each case, one example is given. Already we have finished example question. Today we are going to solve textbook problem. First of all, we find the subtraction of answer. The answer lies in between which two numbers, that is called range. We select the correct range and put the right symbol on the correct range. Your question is 50 minus 19. First we make a box. -19, 82 minus 23, 73 minus 15, 64 minus 17. These are textbook questions. Now ranges are 30 to 40. It means numbers from 30 to 40. Next 40 to 50. 50 to 60, 60 to 70. These are ranges. First we find the answer from the given subtraction. The answer lies in which two numbers? A range means starting number and ending number. Range means small to small number. We count from small number to big number here. See first one, 50 minus 19. First we find subtraction of 50 and 19. 50 minus 19. After getting answer, this answer lies in between which two numbers? 50 minus 19. Now subtraction on 1, subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 1, 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. We cannot take 9 from 0. Here 9 is a bigger number than 0. In this time we need borrow. We take borrow from beside number 10. Now 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9, 1. From 5 10, we taken 1 10 as borrow. 5 minus 1, 4. Now, subtraction on 10. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Answer is 31. Yes. Our answer is 31. First check the range. 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. First count numbers from 30 to 40. 30, 31. Yes, 31. 31 number lies in between 30 to 40. Put right symbol here. Must find the subtraction of 50 and 19. 50 minus 19 is 31. This answer 31 lies in between 30 to 40. Yes, our answer is here. Put right symbol here. Now, next one, subtraction of 82 minus 23. 82 minus 23. Minus 23. These are 1, these are 10. Now subtraction on 1. Yes, now digits are in ones place 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We cannot take 3 from 2. Here 3 is a bigger number. We cannot take bigger number from small number. Subtraction is from bigger number to small number. In this time we need borrow. We take borrow from this number. Borrow means 110 is equal to 10 1. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Now this is 12. Now 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, 9. 12 minus 3, 9. This answer write in 1. From 8 tens, we taken 110 as borrow. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. Now this is 7. Now subtraction on 10. 7 minus 2. From 7, we subtract 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Our total answer is 59. 59, we check the ranges 30 to 40. Means numbers below 40, 1 to 39. Next, 40 to 50. Numbers from 40 to 50. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Next range, 50 to 60. Count the numbers. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Yes, our answer is 59. Our range 50 to 60. 59 lies in between 50 to 60. We put right symbol here. 50 to 60. Now, question number 3, that is 73 minus 15. Next one, 73 minus 15. Yes, here 73 is a bigger number than 15. Then subtraction is possible. First of all, write the place values 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. The digits are from 1 place 3 and 5. 3 minus 5. We cannot take 5 from 3. 3 is a smaller number. 5 is a bigger number. We cannot take bigger number from small number. In this time we need borrow, use borrow. We take borrow from 7, 10. Borrow 110 is equal to 10 1. 10. Already 3 is there in 1. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. 13. Now it is 13. 13 minus 5. From 13 we subtract 5. 13 minus 5. 8. This answer right in one place. Now subtraction on 10. From 710 we taken 110 as borrow. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. 6. Now this is 6. Now subtraction on 10. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. 5. 6 minus 1. 5. Our answer is 58. See 58. Our answer is 58. First check that ranges. 30 to 40 means the number below 40. 40 to 50. Numbers are below 50. Now 50 to 60. Now count the numbers from 50 to 60. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Our answer is 58. Lies in between 50 and 60. Our answer 58 lies in between 50 and 60. This one is third one. Next, fourth one, 64 minus 17. 64 minus 17. Four minus 17. 17 subtract from 64. Here 64 is a bigger number that is in top. 17 is small number that is in bottom. As subtraction happens from bigger to small number, we take small number from big number. Here subtraction is possible. Right? Place values 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. 4 minus 7. 7 is a bigger number than 4. We cannot take bigger number 7 from small number 4. Now we use borrow. We take borrow from beside number of 4. From 16 we take 110 as borrow. 10, 10, 1 and 4 1. Total 14 1. 14. Now 14 minus 7. From 14 we subtract 7. We take 7 from 14. 14 minus 7, 7 only. This answer 7 right in one place. Now subtraction on 10. From 16 we taken 110 as borrow. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. Now this is 5. Now subtraction on 10. The digits are in 10th place. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 4. This answer 4 right in 10. 4 7 47. 64 minus 17 is equal to 47. Our answer is 47. Check these 4 ranges. 30 to 40. Numbers below 40. 40 to 50. Yes, read these numbers from this range. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Yes, our answer is 47. 40 minus 50 is 47. Yes, our answer is lies in between 40 and 50. We put right symbol here. Yes. This is our answer. Now first we saw subtraction of 50 and 19. 50 minus 19 is equal to 31. Yes, our answer is here. Next, 82 minus 23. 59. Our answer is here. Now 73 minus 15. 58. Our answer lies in between 50 to 60. Now finally 64 minus 17.
64 minus 17 is
1. Our answer is lies in between 40 to 50. This is the question number 6. First we find the subtraction of given number. After subtraction, we get the answer. This answer check with given ranges. Our answer is lies in between which two numbers. We find that the two numbers in that column we put right symbol. Okay, students, this is the question number 6. Now we are going to solve question number 7. Children, now question number 7, page number 75. Question number 7. This is the final question from this chapter. Write the next three numbers in each series. Write the next three numbers in each series. Okay, dear students, given questions are A 60, 50, 40, dash, dash, dash. Now we have to fill this blank. See, given numbers are 60, 50, 40. Actually, these numbers are in descending order, means decreasing. First number is 60. Second number is 50. What is the difference between 60 and 50? 60 and 50. 60, 50. Difference means subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 60 minus 50 is 10. Here 10 is decreased. Next, 52. Difference of 50 and 40. Difference of 50 and 40. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 1, 0, 10. Again 10 decreased here. Here every number is decreased by 10. 60 minus 10. 50. 50 minus 10. 40. 40 minus 10, 30. 30 minus 10, 20. 20 minus 10, 10. Dear children, given numbers are 60, 50, 40 and 3 blanks. These 3 blanks we have to fill by given numbers. First we find difference of two numbers. Difference of 60 and 50 is 10. Next two numbers 50 minus 40. Difference of 50 and 40. 10. Difference means subtraction. Here every number is decreased by 10. 60 minus 10. 60 minus 10, 50. 50 minus 10, 40. 40 minus 10, 30. Our answer. 30 minus 10, 20. 20 minus 10, 10. Okay, children, this series or these numbers from question A decreased by 10. 10, 10, 10. 60 minus 10, 50. 50 minus 10, 40. 40 minus 10, 30. 30 minus 10, 20. 20 minus 10, 10. Our answers are 30, 20 and 10. This is the question A. Now question B. Question B. 85, 80 and 75 and 3 blanks. Now we have to fill the 3 blanks from given numbers. The first 3 numbers are 85, 80, 75. These numbers also in decreasing order. 85, 80, 75. Decreasing order means bigger number to small number. First, find the difference of 85 and 80. 85 and 80. Difference means subtraction. 85 minus 80. 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. Yes, a number starting with 0, there is no value for 0. Answer is only 5. Now difference of 85 and 80 is 5. Next two numbers, difference of 80 and 75. Difference of 80 and 75. As 0 minus 5. We cannot take 0 from, we cannot take 5 from 0. We cannot take 5 from 0. In this time we need borrow 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 5. From 8 tenths, we taken 1 tenth as borrow. 8 minus 1, 7. Now 7 minus 7, 0. Yes, our answer is 5. It means in this series, every number is decreased by 5. 85 minus 80, 5. 80 minus 75, 5. It means every number is decreased by 5. 85 minus 5, 80. Next, 80 minus 5, 75. 75 minus 5, 75 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Only 7 is there, 7. Yes, 70. Our answer is 70. Next, 70 minus 5. From 70, we subtract 5. We cannot take 5 from 0. In this time, we need borrow. Take borrow. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. From 7 tens, we taken 1 10 as borrow. 7 minus 1, 6. 6, 65. 70 minus 5 is 65. Now, 65 minus 5, 65 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Now, only 6, write 6 directly, 60. 65 minus 5, 60. See, given numbers are 85, 80, 75. These are in descending order. Now, subtraction of 85 and 80 is 5. Next, subtraction of 80 and 75 is 5. In this series, every number is decreased by 5. Decrease means it is reducing. 85 minus 5, 80. 80 minus 5, 80 minus 5, 75. 75 minus 5, 70. 70 minus 5, 65. 65 minus 5, 60. Our answers are 70, 65, 60. As in question B, every number is decreased by 5. It means from every number we subtract 5, we get next number. In this series, a number is subtracting by 5, we get next number. 85 minus 5, 80. 80 minus 5, 75. 75 minus 5, 70. 70 minus 5, 65. 65 minus 5, 60. This is the question B. Now question number C, final question, that is question number 7, page number 75. Last question from this chapter. Yes, question number C. $54, 45, 36, and fill blank, dash, dash, dash. We want 3 answers in this blank. We have to fill this blank from given numbers. As given numbers are 54, 45, and 36. 54, 45, and 36. First, these numbers are decreasing. 54, 45, 36. Means given numbers are in decreasing. Descending order means bigger number to small number. First, find the difference of first 2 numbers. 54 minus 45. 54 minus 45. A subtraction of 1, subtraction of 10. Subtraction on 1, 4 minus 5. We cannot take 5 from 4. We cannot take bigger number from small number. Here small number is there, here big number is there. We cannot take big number from small number. We take borrow from bigger number. From 5 tens, we take 1 10 as borrow 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus minus 9. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, 9. From 5 tens, we taken 1 10 as borrow. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 0. 0, 9 means number is 9. Yes. The difference of 54 and 45 is 9. Next 2 numbers, the difference of 45 minus 36. 45 minus 36. Yes. Subtraction on 1. 5 minus 6. We cannot take 6 from 5. We cannot take bigger number from small number. We need borrow here. We take borrow. We take borrow from 4 10. 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6, 9. From 4 10, we taken 1 10 as borrow. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 0, 9 means 9 only. Yes. In this series, question number C, every number is decreased by 9. 54 minus 9, 45. 45 minus 9, 36. 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9. Yes. We cannot take 9 from 6. We want borrow, that is 10. 10 plus 6. 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9, 7. We taken 110 from 3 tens as borrow. 3 minus 1, 2. 27. 36 minus 9, 27. Again 27 minus 9. 27 minus 9. As we cannot take 9 from 7, again we need borrow 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 9, 8. From 2 tens, we taken 1 10 as borrow. 2 minus 1, 1. Nice, right? 1. 18. 27 minus 9, 18. Now again 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. Yes, we cannot take 9 from 8. We cannot take 9 from 8. Again we need borrow 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Or 18 minus 9, directly write answer 9. 18 minus 9, 9. In question C, every number is decreased by 9. 54 minus 9, 45. 45 minus 9, 36. 36 minus 9, 27. 27 minus 9, 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Our answers are 27, 18 and 9. Okay children, this is the solution for C. Our answers are 27, 18, 9. In question C, every number is decreased by 9. We subtract 9 from every number, we get next number. 54 minus 9, 45. 45 minus 9, 36. 36 minus 9, 27. 27 minus 9, 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Okay children, this is the question number 7 from page number 75. We have finished 8th chapter, subtraction of numbers. In our next class, we are going to learn multiplication. These are very, very important in mathematics, multiplication. Dear children, all of you read this table from 2 to 9 in our math classwork. I will send homework along through our school app. Okay children, goodbye to everyone.